If you're craving a light and fluffy snack with a tangy and savory kick, then this instant Dhokla recipe is just what you need. Dhokla is a popular Indian snack made from fermented batter, but this version provides a quicker alternative that doesn't require fermentation. Let's dive into the recipe and enjoy the delightful flavors of the steamed delicacy. To make instant Dhokla, we'll need besan, gram flour, suji, semolina, yogurt, lemon juice, ginger paste, green chili paste, salt, turmeric powder, and fruit salt. These ingredients come together to create the perfect balance of flavors and a soft, spongy texture. First, we prepare the batter by combining besan and suji in a mixing bowl. We add yogurt, lemon juice, ginger paste, green chili paste, salt, and turmeric powder. With the help of water, we gradually mix the ingredients until we achieve a smooth and pourable batter consistency. The yogurt and lemon juice add a tangy taste while the ginger and green chili paste provide a spicy kick. Once the batter is ready, we move on to the next step. We heat the steamer or a large pot with water, bringing it to a gentle simmer. In the meantime, we grease a Dhokla plate or any heat-resistant dish with oil to prevent sticking. To give the Dhokla its signature fluffiness, we add fruit salt to the batter. As soon as we add the we mix it gently but thoroughly, ensuring it gets evenly distributed. The will cause the batter to become frothy and bubbly. Now, we immediately pour the batter into the greased plate or dish. We place the plate in the steamer or pot, cover it with the lid, and let it steam for about 15-20 minutes on medium heat. We check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the Dhokla. If it comes out clean, the Dhokla is cooked through. Once cooked, we take the Dhokla out of the steamer and let it cool for a few minutes. Then, we cut it into desired shapes, such as squares or diamond patterns, using a sharp knife. For the final touch, we prepare a tempering or tadka in a small pan. We heat oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves, and green chilies. Once the mustard seeds crackle, we pour this tempering over the cut Dhokla pieces, allowing the flavors to infuse and enhance the taste. Serve the instant Dhokla as a snack or appetizer, accompanied by green chutney or tangy tamarind chutney. The Dhokla is light, tangy, and packed with flavors, making it a perfect choice for tea time or gatherings. This instant Dhokla recipe offers a quick and hassle-free way to enjoy this traditional Indian snack. So, gather your ingredients, get your steamer ready, and savor the deliciousness of these soft and spongy Dhoklas in no time.